Good morning, seniors. Today we're going to start on page 280. It's activity 4.5. Don't get confused because activity 4.5 starts on page 276. We're skipping ahead a little bit, and we're going to be doing things out of order. So today we're going to be reading a speech by President George W. Bush, and it takes place during or shortly after Hurricane Katrina. So Hurricane Katrina is this really bad hurricane, comes in, kills thousands of people, it displaces many people, and it predominantly affects New Orleans and the surrounding areas. So let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to underline a list of priorities that President Bush is saying here. You can underline, circle it, whatever you want to do in your own on your own books and Springboard. You can do it on the PDF if you know how to do that. If you don't, and you don't have a book with you, just make a list on a Word document, and that's fine. You are then going to go through and find his rhetoric that you find that really stands out to you. Remember, logos, pathos, ethos, right? And your rhetoric is just kind of making an argument, which he is doing here. So once we've done that, and once we've read it, we're going to come down and we're going to answer questions 8 through questions 12. All right. So number 8 is asking you on the details based in the text. What is the rhetorical context? So make sure you tell me that. You need to tell me what are the federal government's 3 priorities and how would you categorize them. Let's say for categorize them, tell me, list them in order of importance, first, second, third. And that's how you would categorize them, not President Bush. What does President Bush mean by major assets in paragraph 6? And make sure you give me some examples. Don't just tell me what the major assets are. What does President Bush compare to charitable relief agencies to in paragraph 14? And lastly, how is paragraph 15 structured to appeal to his audience? So we're going to be looking at this. All right, and that will be it for today. I hope you all are doing well.